It's not losing to him, it's the size of him, the weight of him. Pitbull just makes him a scary athlete. And probably a super one too. Oh, Hunter Khan, will he be successful in his debut here? Shoving a knee in his face. Oh! Oh, what a move. Never seen that before. Wow, these new moves makes it enjoyable to call the action when there's new moves. Oh, what a move. I've seen that before. Shoulder blocked him. Oh, elbow to the back. Hunter Khan. Oh, he hit keeper out. The keeper's finishing move. That's stealing. And it could be stealing his life. Oh, 1, 2, 3, and Pitbull wins.